Welcome to the Level 3 WJC Tourism course. My name is John Price and I'm responsible for the delivery of the course in years 12 and 13. The first thing I'd like to say is there is no required prior knowledge needed to start the course. Everyone starts afresh in year 12. There are 4 units of work to be completed over the 2 years, 2 units of work in year 12, 1 exam and 1 piece of coursework, and exactly the same in year 13. All units are equally weighted at 25%. In year 12, we start with a coursework project, and then that takes us up till January, and then we will sit the external examination in May at the end of the year. In the first unit, we will be looking in particular at destinations within the UK, in Wales and across the United Kingdom in general. For Unit 2, the coursework unit, you'll be expected to produce 2 fact files, one on a short-haul destination, maybe Nice or Paris, and a second on a long-haul destination, quite possibly New York. As well as the fact file, you will be expected to complete a marketing campaign for one of your chosen destinations. Year 13 follows a similar pattern to Year 12. We start off in September with the coursework project until January, and then we do the theory for the external exam in May. One of the main things we'll be studying in this unit is looking at how information technology has changed the travel industry over time. You will also be investigating how the less economically developed countries have used tourism to increase their income and wealth over time. The coursework in Year 13 is divided into 2 tasks. One is to prepare an itinerary and the second one is to organise an event. The WGC will be giving you a set scenario, and then you will be expected to plan and cost a 5-day visit for a scenario of a family of 4 somewhere in the UK. The second part of the coursework, you will be expected to organise a visit for a different group of pupils somewhere in the UK, and obviously you'll be able to go on this visit as well. The majority of students study tourism because of the sheer enjoyment. It's a modern subject, it's very interesting, and they have a fantastic time during the 2 years on the course. A large percentage of the students that study tourism use it as like a third option at A level to get entrance into a university, possibly either to study tourism or to study other subjects. There are a large number of career paths available either in the private sector or in the public sector. The most popular careers that students of tourism go into are either travel agent or going into hotel management or working for a tour operator. Along with these career choices, there's a growth now in events management, working behind the scenes in organising festivals, something like Glastonbury. And along with this then, every local authority has their own tourism department to bring in income and visitors into the county.